about died.
Alright, found a trail. Walking through Yankee Springs, Gun Lake area.
You want to hold this while I put my glove on?
Pretty,
Is that the church light still way over there?
yeah.
Through the woods?
Church light way over there, that's where we parked. Pretty, going deeper into the woods.
We've heard of a few stories out here. And really kind of always just wanted to try exploring. As you can see, Jimmy, put your light up forward. I don't know if that makes it any better. Yeah, it's a little. I mean, I don't know about you.
Seems like we're going downhill now. I bet you we'll end up in a
Yeah, I mean, I don't know about you, but doesn't this almost give off the vibe of it's just like, I don't know, some kind of horror movie? It's leading you right down. I guess probably that should be the, last thing from the mind.
Yeah. Just leave.
I'll tell you, you definitely hear it. Hold on. I know it's the woods, and it's also winter, so wearing winter jackets. But it almost keep hearing something every now and then. It seems like. I tell you, it's really beautiful out here, though.
Mm-hmm. You know, there's a lot of ancient Indian burial grounds around here too.
Which I was not aware of till we got out here.
A lot of down lumber.
And I guess at the moment you're typical woods.
Hoping we can find something for you guys.
We have to take this one at a time. This is quite the narrow path. Well, I mean, camera footage. I mean, usually person in the front goes. Or is it the back? Shit.
Hopefully they try to ambush something coming from the back.
Oh, yeah. Definitely hear some branches breaking, but it's your normal stuff. Where?
Kind of right by that tree branch. Should have brought a laser pointer.
Yeah, but I mean, they would be. That's got to be from a little bit ago.
Never got your headlights
Oh.
on.
So.
Actually, I got an idea. Get mine out of there. Get the middle.
The big one?
Yeah, it might be in the Crown Royal.
Obviously, got some supplies in there, just in case anything happens. No?
It's gotta be in the zipper. I was gonna put it on the head backwards.
Oh, well, it's alright. Yeah, that's good.
Well, at least all the birds should be hiking it.
Yeah. Should be. Okay. You know. So, yeah, I was gonna say, I saw a light up here.
What are you looking at?
I keep seeing a light flash up there.
Is that an airplane?
Oh, it could be my eyes, you know. Seeing the lights and blinding you almost.
Dude, that's fucking shit. We came across some big push.
So, yeah, so this is Jimmy, by the way.
Hey,
Jimmy, why don't you explain what our channel's kind of about?
well, we're gonna go to various sites and areas and explore them and see what we can find for you guys.
Definitely,
Tonight's kind of just a trial run.
obviously it'll be our first video. It's, yeah, just pretty much exploring anything and everything. Seeing what's out there. I know the camera works a little shoddy. Hopefully that gets a little better over time.
The world's a big place. We're out here for you people who don't want to explore it. They're gonna think, man, look at this Joe Schmo walking through the fucking woods.
It's funny, this is the first time I finally have considered doing this. And let's wait till it's fucking winter. Oh, see, here's a trail sign. Okay. So, let's see what we have. Oh, you alright? Okay. What's yours say? Oh, okay. Mine says no shooting, but then it says caution, trails pass through open hunting area, wear bright colors.
Definitely not what we did.
No. Well,
We could go that way, or we could keep going that way. Which way you want to go? I keep going that way.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's just stay right, and then yeah. And then next time we come out here.
Cool. Got a picnic table right there.
Okay. You know, this is actually great to know then, Jimmy.
I wonder if we just hit a camp.
Well, yeah, look at it. I mean, how,
I mean, look how open it is. You know, like, look how... I wonder if the river's down here.
oh, this is, that's something reflective. Maybe another sign. Yeah. Huh.
Yeah, I wonder where the entrance to this place is. Huh. Oh, right here.
Oh, is this that road? No.
This is a drive-in.
Drive in, but this isn't that one road though we were off, came off from though. Obviously big enough for a vehicle.
Zoom in on that sign. Get that on there.
Okay.
So I'm assuming back here is probably some parking area. Where you want to go? You want to follow the road or you want to keep going that way?
Well, I think should just probably just go ahead some more, see what we can do, and yeah, this is like we said earlier, guys, just kind of our first video to see what it's like, see
Kind of let
Stuff.
you guys get to know us a little bit.
even though there wasn't much said, but still, we definitely hope to be doing more of these.
Oh,
And-
that's a guarantee.
And, you know, I know this is kind of a big section on YouTube here, and I've always watched these kind of videos, and not even so much just for the, hey, what could they find aspect, just more of the, I like to see nature, see what they find. But
And we won't always be in the woods. We'll be
yeah, we
abandoned buildings.
we actually had another spot we were going to try tonight, but
Maybe some of them have heard of it. The Ada Cemetery
yep,
with the Ada Witch.
we were going to try that, but we figured we'd start here first and come around somewhere around there some other time. Ooh, about fell. Yeah. I mean, there's been a few things, a few weird noises, but
Not really ordinary.
no. Hey, main road.
We got here.
Now this is a main road.
Oh, that's almost perfect time.
Okay. Well, I think this is probably a good time to end it then.
Oh, let's go see what we find.
We're gonna probably just end the video here then, and
Let's see what we got, please.
oh, all right.
Oh, just the same stuff.
Yeah.
we've been seeing.
But I think we'll just end this here, and then we'll walk back and yeah, film another one hopefully next week for you guys. So we are Exploration Unknown, and don't forget to throw up that like sign, and like the video and subscribe.
Take it easy, guys.